Hey, Grandpa Scy! Sorry I'm late. My basketball game went into overtime. It's okay though, because we totally won! This one is gonna be delicious, and I can't think of any way for you to try and make this evil. That was not a challenge, so don't get any ideas. Today we are making cheese pupusas. Pupusas are thick corn tortilla cakes stuffed with savory ingredients such as beans, meat, or in this case, cheese. Awesome! Looks like everything is there. Oh, that's masa harina, Grandpa. Have you not cooked with that before? It's sort of like a flour, but it's made out of a corn that has been soaking in acid, like lime juice. It is used in lots of Latin American dishes. I know, sounds good, right? Well, let's keep moving. This mostly looks good, except for that hammer. How did I not see this one coming? We normally use a clear pie plate to press them. Do you have one of those? Perfect, let's get this recipe started. In a bowl, stir together the masa harina and salt. Then add the warm water and vegetable oil. Stir until a soft dough forms, which should take about 1 minute. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest for 15 minutes. Grandpa, it just needs to sit there in order to rest. You don't need to put it to sleep or anything. While that's resting, use scissors to cut the side seams of a large zipper lock plastic bag, leaving the bottom seam intact. Open the bag and spray the inside of it lightly with vegetable oil spray. Set that aside too. Alright, maybe we can skip ahead a bit until the dough's rested? Yeah, woohoo! Excellent! To test if the dough is ready, make a golf ball sized ball of dough and gently press it flat. Do you know how big a golf ball is, Grandpa? Smaller, smaller, smaller. Aren't you retired, Grandpa? You're supposed to know all about golf. Perfect. So roll some dough into a ball about that size and gently press it flat. No, Grandpa, gently. Just with the palm of your hand. If large cracks form around the edges, the dough is too dry. Stir in more warm water, 1 teaspoon at a time. Yours looks just right though, Grandpa. Alright, now it's time to portion. Using a 1/3 measuring cup will help. Roll the dough into 8 equally sized balls. Then, place each ball on a large plate and cover them with a damp dish towel. Maybe we could use that fast forward transition? Time for the cheese filling. We'll do this part 1 dough ball at a time. Start by patting 1 dough ball into a 4-inch circle. Next, we'll use our hands again to squeeze a 1/4 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese into a ball. Nice! Place the cheese ball into the center of the dough corner, pull the sides over and pinch it at the top, and then roll all this into one smooth ball. Make sure to place it back under the damp towel and repeat these steps with the remaining dough. Amazing! Now it's time for your favorite part, more pressing. Grandpa, this is the last time I'm going to tell you. Do you want me to call Grandma in here? No? Then put the mallet away and let's finish these pupusas. Grab the open Ziploc bag you cut before and place 1 filled pupusa ball inside, then fold over the top of the bag. Place the pie plate on top of the bag and press the dough into a 4-inch circle. When you're done, put the pressed pupusa on a large plate and cover with a damp dish towel. Nice! See how easy that was? And how safe and non-violent? Time to get these pupusas cooking. Start by spraying your skillet lightly with vegetable oil spray, then set to a medium-high heat. When the pan is ready, add 4 pupusas to the skillet and cook for 6 to 8 minutes, flipping them halfway through until they're spotty brown. Yummy, those look delicious. Nice work, Grandpa. Pupusas are traditionally served with cerdito, a fresh and crunchy cabbage slaw. Don't worry, Grandpa. I had Mom drop some off for you. Now, time for the final test. Are you ready for that cheese pull? It's the most important part. I don't get it. How is there lightning inside your garage? Sorry, secret lab inside your secret lab. Nice work today, Grandpa. Like always, if you ever want to make these again, you can find this recipe and more at atkkids.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next episodes. Thanks for watching. Bye!